Senator Buck, as somebody who ostensibly helped write your bill, believe that this is going to be a good thing?
Even if we do everything perfectly, there'll still be, glitches and bumps.
This thing is behemoth. Nobody knows what the practical impacts are going to be.
There is brand new polling that shows that Americans are confused about the status of the health care legislation. 42%, 4 in 10 unaware that the law was in place.
The American people don't know what's in the bill. They don't know how it's paid for. And most importantly, Bill, they are very concerned about how it's going to affect their own individual health insurance plan.
There's a lot of Democrats that are very worried that the implementation of that has been very difficult, has been unpopular, particularly for small business owners.
How about this for a bump? More and more employers are bumping some workers' benefits and cutting some full-time workers to part-time, all because of the health care law.
You don't hire that extra person, and the people that you've got, you push into part-time work. That was just so obvious in Friday's report.
There's been a surge of part-time workers, with nearly 280,000 Americans now working fewer hours.
As some companies look at the health care law and say one way we can avoid it is to have more part-time workers.
To avoid fines or paying for health care, employers are looking more part-time workers.
What you're finding more and more employers doing, not just in the private sector, but also in universities and in the government sector, is sharply reducing the number of people to make sure they don't get hit by ObamaCare.
If they're at 48 people or 49, they just tell me, look, I'm not going to go over 50.
This health care law is hurting jobs, it's hurting care, and it's hurting Americans' paychecks.
Our economy is not growing. This is the last thing we need to do is inject some new uncertainty into it and disrupt it.
That's why I've also called on the president to address the nation and give an honest accounting of what many, many Americans can expect as this law starts to come online